Hello everyone, welcome back to Zoom Your Skill. So in today's video, I am going to share you 11 important government and PSU job opportunities for CA, CS, CMA, MBA and graduates. So out of these 11 opportunities, 5 are specifically for company secretaries, while the rest of the opportunities belongs to CA, CMA and finance professionals. I will cover basic important information in this video. So let's get started. Don't waste much time. So I'll talk about for the first job. So first job is basically with ERNet India Limited for the position of Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts. They're having two positions, and education basically is being asked graduates CA Inter, CMA Inter, and these opportunities are based out in Delhi, and this has to be applied by 9th of August 2026. So if you'll talk about the salary would be 45,000 to 60,000 per month. If anybody wish to apply, then link is given in the description. Let's move on the second job. Second job is IHB Limited for the post of Deputy Manager Company Secretary. They're having only one position and education is being asked CS with LLB. The location is Noida location, and one has to apply this position by 27th of August 2026. The salary package would be rupees 11 lakh per annum. If you are falling in this eligibility criteria, then apply in the link description. Let's move on the third vacancy. Guj Info Petro Limited. For the post of senior officer, one position has been released. Education is asked company secretary. Location is basically Gandhinagar and you have to apply by 19th of August 2026. You can visit at the website. In the career section, you will find the detailed notifications. Link is also given in the description. Next position is open for company secretary DGM with Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. They are having only one position and education is basically company secretary is asked. This vacancy is based on Delhi and that position has to be applied by 14th of August 2026. If we'll talk about salary is going to be 32,900 to 58,000 E5 IDA scale. So these are the scale E5 salary would be for this position. So next move on the next vacancy. Job number 5 for the post of Deputy Manager Accounts at Gujarat Urban Development Mission. They are having one post for this position. This is open for MCOM and MBA finance candidates. Location is Gandhinagar and one has to apply by 21st of August 2026. Monthly salary will be 75,000 per month. Link is given in the description. If anybody is following in this criteria, then they can apply going in the link in the description. Then another job number 6 is with Rights Limited for the post of JGM or DGM. So particularly they are having only one post. So post name can be JGM or DGM. This position is open for all the company secretaries and location is they can place anywhere in India. So one has to apply by 2nd September 2026. Salary for JGM will be 80,000 to 2,20,000 and for DGM 70,000 to 2 lakh. So they'll be based on the application received by the candidates and accordingly they'll be allotting this position whether JGM or DGM company secretary. So let's move on the next position. So comment me your qualification. I'll be posting vacancies for the qualification which you'll be asking. So we'll talk about the job number 7. Job number 7 is AGM CSN Legal. One post is open for CS with LLB qualification with Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizer and Chemical Limited. Location is basically based out in Gujarat, and one has to apply by 14th of August 2026. Salary would going to be 30 lakh per annum. This is very handsome salary package. So in case anybody want to switch and falling in this criteria may apply going in the description link. Let's move on the next vacancy. Job number 8. Job number 8 is Assistant Officer Grade 1 Personal and Administration. Post is 1 for the qualification graduate with PG with Andrew Yule and Company Limited. Website is given. You can go in the career section of the website and you can apply by 17th of August 2026. Salary would be 6 lakh 20 or 6 lakh 64 lakh annually. Link is given in the description. You can apply going in the description rate. Job number 9. So this company has released 2 vacancies. First is Young Professional 1 Finance, and they are having 3 vacancies for this Young Professional 1. Education is CA Inter, CMA Inter or MCOM. So if you are CA Inter, CMA Inter or MCOM, you can apply for this position. And this position is basically based out in Delhi. You have to apply by 25th of August 2026, visiting at the website of the National Cooperative Development Corporation. Salary range would be 25,000, 35,000 per month, and that too is negotiable. For deserving candidate, the salary bracket can be increased. So next vacancy with the same company is for Young Professional 2 Finance. There are 3 posts in this company. Position is CA CMA. In earlier post they have asked for CA Inter or CMA Inter, but here they're asking qualified CA and qualified CMA. So either you are CA or CMA, you can apply for this post. Place is again the same, Delhi. You have to apply by 25th of August, and salary range will be little higher than the earlier one. Salary would be 70,000 to 1 lakh per month, and then it's also negotiable. Let's move on. Next job. Next position for Manager Finance with NTPC Green Energy Limited. This post is open for CA and CMA qualified. They are having 5 posts for these positions. Place they can across subsidiary wherever these are having, then they can place you there. Apply, you have to apply by 31st of August 2026. They're going to give you salary between 70,000 to 2 lakh per month. So these were the 11 vacancies which we discussed today. Out of these 11 vacancies, majorly 5 opportunities were related to company secretaries. So if you are eligible for any of this position, make sure you check the detailed official notification before you apply with the respective date. If you found this video useful, please like the video, share it with your professional friends or the near and dear ones who are seeking or in the mood to change the job. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.